Hi, good evening. Welcome to the video. My name is Nizamuddin Amirali and I will be your host for the evening. What we're going to do today is a tutorial on how to translate a Google document in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So what we'll need is a document that we can translate, and you can either use Microsoft Word or you can use Google Docs, but since we want to translate the document, what we're going to use is Google Docs just in a second. Now as you can see, this document is just a generic document that comes up and it doesn't really have English at the bottom. So what we're going to do is open up an existing document in Google Docs. So go up to File and Open, and you see these are my files here, but I'm just going to open up one of the documents here. Let's try this one. You click Open. Okay, now this is one of my documents here. So it's in English, as you can see. Your document might be different, might be some other language, but we're gonna translate English to Spanish as an example. So what we're gonna do is go up to Tools on the menu bar at the top, and you can see Translate Document is right in the middle there. So click on that, and it says translated copy of puzzle instructions. That's the name of the file for the title. Choose the language. We're gonna look for a language I said we were gonna translate it to Spanish. So just scroll down, it's alphabetical, so the S is right near the bottom. Just 1 second. Should be coming up soon. Spanish. And you can try other languages too, but I just made it easier just to stick with a popular language, but other languages will work as well. So once the parameters are all set, you're going to click on Translate, and the document should come back fully translated in Spanish. And there you go. My Spanish is not too good, but if I tried reading it, instrucciones de, that's a long word. Yeah, this should be Spanish. An actual Spanish speaker will know whether this is correct without any errors, but you should check for errors or get a proofreader to read this in Spanish and make sure it translates well. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and you'll enjoy the next one. Take care. Bye.